Hello IT Bros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your host Alvendril, and in this video I'm going to show you how to power wash a Chromebook. So as you can see here, I have for this video this Dell Chromebook 11 inches 3100, but this process is going to work for most manufacturers and models. So what I'm going to do now is, allow me a few seconds to adjust my camera as always, and now I'm going to open the Chromebook. Now it's going to start by itself. I don't have to press the power button. Maybe you have, maybe you don't have to. And we are going to be in the login screen. So the mistake I made is that I enrolled this Chromebook as a personal, as if it was for me, but it's for a company. I'm going to show you later how to do it, but that's why I want to power wash this Chromebook. And you may have any other reasons to do it. Maybe it's a little slow. Maybe you're going to give it away to somebody. Maybe you have some synchronization problems with Google. Maybe your bookmarks are not syncing, or your password, or something like that. There are many reasons that you might power wash the Chromebook. Besides, let's say it's a little slow, or there is an issue. I mean, there are many reasons, but for me, it's because I made a mistake. I enrolled it as a personal, but it has to be enrolled as an enterprise Chromebook. So what we have to do next, I just want to remind you that when you power wash a Chromebook, you're going to lose all the information on the Chromebook. So the next step is going to be to connect the charger, so the Chromebook has a reliable source of power for all the process we're going to do. And next, allow me a few seconds to adjust my camera. We have to press a key combinations on the keyboard to have access to the power wash menu. So I'm going to press it right now, and there it is, reset this Chromebook. And this one tells you that you're going to start the process for resetting a Chromebook to the factory settings. So you're going to lose everything. So the next step is, now I'm going to show you the keys I press for you to have this message. So let me a few seconds on my camera. And what you have to press is Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and the letter R. I suppose R is for reset. And then you have it again. So I'm going to cancel it one more time with escape or with cancel. And I'm going to show you the key combination one more time. So it's going to be Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and R. As you can see me there, I'm pressing it. And you can see the screen one more time. So the next step is going to go to the bottom right. It says Power Wash. And we're going to press on that to proceed. So once we go, we see this one, confirm power wash. So it's reminding us that everything is going to be deleted. The documents, the usernames, anything, any configuration on this Chromebook is going to be deleted. Okay, so keep that in mind. So since we don't have anything else to do here, I'm going to go to continue. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the like button. So the Chromebook is going to restart, and this screen goes by very fast. It says power wash in progress. Power washes happen when critical errors are detected, or when you choose to reset your device. This will reset Chrome OS to be just like new, and you will be back in operation in just a minute. So that's all it does. It goes by very fast, and that process in this Chromebook took less than 20 seconds. So it's super fast. But granted, this Chromebook didn't have anything stored in it. It was new. So that's why maybe it took so little time. So when you see this, it means that we have succeeded. The power wash has been successful. You can see there, welcome, and you have to press on let's go. And then it's going to ask you to connect your Chromebook to a network, to a Wi-Fi network. And then when you choose, you see this, Google Chrome OS terms. So you have to accept the terms, and then you have to click on that little blue box. And then it's going to look for updates. After that, you're going to be there again, sign in to your Chromebook. This is where I made a mistake. Sign in to your Chromebook. So I type regular account, but I had to do this, enterprise enrollment. So that's why I power wash the Chromebook. So I'm going to show you the key combination to have that. You have to press Ctrl Alt E. I suppose E is for enterprise. And then you're going to have that the chance to enroll it for an enterprise, for a company. So that's how you would do it. That's why, again, I had to power wash this Chromebook. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video, guys, how to power wash the Chromebook, because in my case, I made a mistake of enrollment. Maybe you have another issue with that. Maybe you want to give it to somebody else. I don't know. There are many reasons. So that's what I wanted to show in this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'm always read the comments. And as you know, I'll see you in the next video.